the ultimate playbook for navigating CES 2025. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate playbook for navigating CES 2025, the world's biggest and most exciting tech event happening in Las Vegas. Whether you're attending in person or following along from home, I've got all the insider tips, trends, and strategies to help you maximize your experience. So let's jump in. First up, what is CES? CES, formerly known as the Consumer Electronics Show, is a Super Bowl of technology events. Hosted annually in Las Vegas, it attracts over 100,000 attendees from around the globe. Here you'll see everything from cutting-edge TVs and wild robots to futuristic cars and AI-powered gadgets. This year, CES runs officially from January 7 to January 10, but press previews and side events kick off as early as January 4. Pro tip: if you're attending, arrive early to catch those exclusive press-only previews. CES 2025 is shaping up to be a game-changer. Here are the key trends experts are predicting. 1. AI integration everywhere. From AI-powered appliances to agentic AI that replaces apps, smart tech will dominate this year. 2. Hot new chips. Expect big announcements from Nvidia, AMD, and Qualcomm, powering next-gen laptops and gaming rigs. 3. Futuristic vehicles. Electric cars, holographic displays, and even air taxis are set to wow attendees. 4. Sustainable tech. Innovations that prioritize eco-friendliness and energy efficiency. Keep an eye out for surprises. CES is known for throwing us curveballs. Now, let's talk logistics. CES is massive, with events spread across venues like the Las Vegas Convention Center, Venetian Expo, and beyond. Must-see keynotes. Don't miss Nvidia's Jensen Huang kicking things off or Delta's keynote at the Las Vegas Sphere. Side events. Some of the best tech debuts happen off the main floor, so check out private showcases or invite-only parties. Best day for big reveals, January 6, Press Day. All the major brands will unveil their latest innovations. CES isn't just about tech, it's also about people. Here's how to network like a pro. 1. Prep your elevator pitch. Be ready to introduce yourself and your goals succinctly. 2. Use social media. Follow hashtags like #CES 2025 to connect with others and find impromptu meetups. 3. Attend happy hours and after parties. These are goldmines for casual networking. Remember, pack plenty of business cards, or better yet, a digital card with a QR code linking to your LinkedIn. CES has thousands of exhibitors, but here are my top picks for 2025. Samsung, known for screens everywhere, they're showcasing AI-powered appliances and transparent displays. Nvidia and AMD, gamers, don't miss their next-gen GPU announcements. BMW and Hyundai, for the coolest car tech, including full windshield holograms and new electric vehicles. CES can be overwhelming, so here's how to document everything. 1. Take photos and videos. Capture booth displays and demos, but always ask permission. 2. Use a note-taking app. Jot down your thoughts on products you see. This is especially helpful for bloggers and reviewers. 3. Share on social media. Tag brands and use event hashtags to boost your posts and potentially connect with companies. Once CES wraps up, don't let those connections go cold. Follow up with people you met, whether it's a quick email or a LinkedIn message. And if you discovered any tech you loved, start planning how it could fit into your life or business. CES 2025 is going to set the tone for the year in tech, and whether you're attending or following along, there's so much to explore. Got any questions about CES? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll see you in Vegas, or right here for all the latest updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Visit Almond Consulting and stay curious and tech-savvy.